Do you send proposals or estimates to clients before starting work? FreshBooks lets you create professional estimates and, when approved, turn them into invoices with one click. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This creates a seamless workflow from proposal to payment, saving you from double data entry and ensuring the final invoice matches the quoted price. First, you don't even look for an Invoice button. Instead, go to the Estimates section and create a new estimate. It looks and works just like an invoice, with line items, rates, and totals. Once your client reviews and approves the estimate, you'll see an option right there to Convert to Invoice. Click it, and FreshBooks automatically populates a new invoice with all the details from the estimate. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the Accepted status. When you mark an estimate as Accepted in FreshBooks, it locks in the scope and price. This protects you from scope creep and gives you a clear record of what the client agreed to. Just like that, you've streamlined your sales process and made invoicing an effortless next step. How often do your estimates turn into paid invoices? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.